Hi, we'll start off by looking at the various functions of the resource viewer, uh, starting off with the startup screen. The startup screen is pretty much just against default values, and here we are distinguishing between the various sites where we're doing maintenance and over a 4-week period. Here we can see our table where the various shutdown tasks are defined. All the details are here, including distribution of people into the various trades, as well as duration, and then order numbers. It is important to note, however, that further entries can be added here, as well as different definitions of trades. So we can both change the names as well as the amount of trades defined here. Then we also have an undefined column, especially for maintenance tasks planned further ahead and where we uncertain as to exactly how it will be distributed between the trades. On the startup, we've already dragged in the data from a central data point, and we can do this again if we're aware of an update being performed by the administrator. Now, it's important to note that this client that you're viewing now is different from the central data repository. So all those with access to saving can save into the central repository, but there's only one repository, although there can be multiple clients like this one you're viewing now. Then we can also add data, we can edit data, and we can save the data if you have that privilege. As soon as we select edit data, this becomes editable. And for instance, we can say, change this to 22 people. Now you'll notice as soon as I press the enter button, undefined will increase because we have not changed any one of the specific trades numbers yet. Now if we wish to, we can say all the additional have been electrical, or we can just leave it under undefined for now. Now since I have not saved, you can just run a scenario here and see what the impact will be. As soon as you do save, however, then it becomes the norm. As we prepare the plotting parameters, we can now start selecting different trades and different sites as well. And we can really drill down to see what the impact is of our planned tasks. For instance, if we were to merely focus on electrical, we can deselect all else, and we can just replot again. And you'll see the numbers are both lower on the left and right hand side. Therefore, the total number of people are less, but also the ones per specific site. If we add technicians as well, we can just replot again. We can look at the 1-week window. We can also drag it out to 12 weeks and as far as 18 months ahead. I'm just going to reset it back to 4 weeks. Like I said at the beginning, we are just differentiating here by the various sites where shutdowns are being done. We are also now busy introducing the functionality to actually dynamically select how you want to differentiate. We can do this by branch, we can do this by trade, status, therefore has it been finalized or not, company, as well as site. or any other parameter for that matter. And then also we have an update window here where we can see whether updates have been made, as well as commenting on whether it's been saved successfully or not. This also enables you to quickly view to see if anyone has actually updated the database, and then you can just update your data by loading the new data. You'll see that will change back to 18, since I've only changed it as a scenario and not into the main repository. Thank you for that.